Hi guys, this is the unboxing of the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD, high-speed storage for high-resolution photos and videos. And this is how the box looks like. I bought it in 500 GB, and this was bought at Amazon, of course, amazon.fr. I bought it in 500, so it's okay. I don't need that much. So this is how it looks like. It is so small and it's so light. Yeah, and it's also dust magnet. I don't know. So this is how it looks like. And how small is that? The USB-C is here, and then you can attach it as a, in your keychain. Some warranty guide here, and this is what is included in the box, as it says here. There, box contents, warranty guide, the SSD itself, and the cable, and then the small one is the USB-A. So this is the USB-A to attach on either side, I guess. It doesn't matter. So it's quite bended, the cable. So this is C to C, and then if you want it with USB-A, so it's like this. And yes, it's a bit expensive for me to buy such, but it's so light. Look at that. So thank you for watching. This is the unboxing of the SanDisk SSD. Bye.